Excited for the big day tomorrow. So thanks for joining. I know it was such a short notice that we called you because we were getting a few calls on different things. So we thought we will address all the calls because tomorrow we will be quite busy. We will not be able to take a lot of calls from you. So we will generally discuss what is the expectations and then keep some time for the Q&A so you can ask any specific questions. So here I know that there are set of you attending the presentation slot online, and most of the teams, about I think 10 teams are presenting from the campus, and 5 teams are presenting online. Nikesh, is correct me, nine or 10, right? So that
Yes, ma'am.
means the session. The people who are online may have a little lesser edge because you are not there in person there, right? So please keep that in mind. Whenever online people, please ensure that you get your slot to be very, very clear. I think we can share the slot and the order here, Dr. Rashmi, so that they are aware about your turn. We are also starting a small WhatsApp temporary group where all of you will be part of it so that you can be alert because this is an extremely timed event. Let me just kind of show you what the itinerary looks like so that you are aware about how this whole event is going to go. Let me just share my screen. Yeah. So we will have, you can see my screen, no? So we start at 1:30. That means registrations would be there from 12 p.m. And 1:30 to 2 o'clock, we have a packed session on the typical inauguration formalities, etc. Right? And we will have address by Naveen Kamath, who is the Kindle CTO. And there will be a small talk by Girija. So please pay attention because sustainability and all that is still soft topic. She may give you some tips on how to address this. So please listen to them. So ideally, you must be people who are in the campus. Anyway, they are in the campus. But those who are online, please don't come at your turn and then leave because it's important that you join the link and stay throughout the program, right? So here, if you see, this is the list. I think Nikesh from our team or somebody can send this list. So we have kind of mixed little online and offline because Australia, there is a team which is from Kindle. So they may have a little time difficulty. So we have placed them second. So this is the order that you are going to come. This order will be explained again, put it in the WhatsApp group. So you can see that it is jam packed because we have 15 of you presenting one after the other. So what we would do is that all your presentations or your entire folder will be loaded into our system on the stage, and one of the team lead, tech lead from our end, will be managing those decks. That means when syntax slayer's name is called, you come to the stage. I think they are in the campus, so they come through the back, the behind of the stage, get onto the stage, get your mics, and already their slide will be up on the screen. Now, you will have to exactly maintain. That means including Q&A, you have to maintain exactly 15 minutes. That means you have to practice like hell. If you really want to impress somebody was asking, how do we do a 10 minutes, 12 minutes? No. So this is exactly that because all these senior leaders are very less time. You will see that in your life, right? Because you will not get a whole day to explain anything. You are in a competition. So competition is about also to understand whether you can manage time. So presentation, we would say that so we are also putting certain indicators. So first 8 minutes, there will be a short buzzer sound at the first 8 minutes. By 10 minutes, there will be another little more longer buzzer. And by 12 minutes, you will have huge alarm. So that means ideally you must stop your presentations at 10-11 minutes. Do not get on to the 12 minutes buzzer. That means 12 minutes buzzer will not sound if you have completed and you are ready for Q&A. Even the judges, the jury members will ask maximum 2 questions. Please note the jury has already got everything of yours. So they have already gone through your deck. So they will have very specific questions. And see, the challenge here is that the ONX, looking at unseen data, how it is working. These are the questions that the judges will ask to decide your slot, right? Your rank. So please be mindful on, maybe it is on, because most of the time, again, we are running your format, but then still we are not getting excellent results on unseen data. Some are still very poor. So these are some of the red flags that you must be aware. And how will you address, right? So it is looks like you're you're overfitting somewhere, or that's why mentors, we were discussing that you must discuss all these things and see how can you bring down. So whatever is your presentation, we would say 10, maximum 11 minutes, time it, and you must stop. It's not about hurrying, it is about presenting. So 30 seconds on, I'm just giving some kind of, no, I'm sure you're all hackers, hackathoners, have been presenting in various places, but I'm sure you will have better idea. But I'm just giving some gyan. If you take it or leave it, it is up to you. So we would say that because your first slide, ideally with your team names and all that is there. So don't stress so much on who is in the, what is the background and all that. A passing remark on introduction. One person can introduce everyone so that you don't spend precious time on first initial stage. You can definitely talk about how passionately you're working towards plastic menace, against it, and then bring back to the technical efficiency of your project and the innovation, because almost 50-60% of your marks comes from there. Only 30% comes from how chemistry or the team management. That means how you seamlessly shift your team members into your presentation. So that is very visible. And when a jury asks who answers the question, how much kind of harmony is there between all of you, all these things would be noticed. So please, these are the soft elements. Sustainability, definitely we have told that you must discuss, because again, a lot of the source, the code is not optimized. There could be questions because again, the judges and the jury members have seen your code already. So what we suggest is plan your time. You know that 60% of the marks is coming. I'm sure that you already have the other document that we have sent. I think this one that you already have, right? So let's not put here. Yeah, so you know that this is the criteria, right? Technical efficiency, demonstrability of the prototype, all that, right? So you know that 50-60% of the marks comes from here. The rest is all these soft elements. So the biggest request is that keep the time. Even if you are not keeping the time, you will be pulled out or pushed out of the stage, right? We will have no mercy. You can't say, no, you just threw me out of the stage. So because we have to maintain this time, for us, time is essence, time is everything. So we will have to start and end as per this schedule only, right? So please be mindful, please be supportive. And that means you have to practice, 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 cut all the crap, come to the point, present very professionally, right? So this is very, very critical. If you are exceeding 15 minutes, what we would do is that I would have a mic, so I would have to ask you rudely that please get off the stage, right? So please don't allow us to do that. Please be mindful that we have so many things, and then there are, because for us there are guests coming. All these times are all timed, right? So we cannot go beyond 6 p.m. all the presentations. I know that you have been working on 2 months, 3 months, all for this 15 minutes of glory, right? So, and that's how the life is. So please be mentally prepared. And so that you don't fight or shout or whatever that you are thinking that should say, because that won't because we control the whole event. Okay, so and then we will have this initial little guest address by the VP of Kindle, our own chancellor, and then judges will summarize how the whole evaluation is being done, and then we will so in terms of, say, suppose a winner is announced and they are online, we would want all of you to come online on video mode. Video mode. So this is important. You must be presented professionally. You must have clean shaved. If I'm talking about boys or men, you must be clean shaved. You must be professionally dressed, right? And it must sound very professional. Otherwise, all these things will work against you. If you say that no, we are techies and nerds and all that, I think in this hackathon it's not allowed. Okay, so I think that's a little bit of thing from us. Within this 10-15 minutes, we will collate all your marks. The jury will meet. The decision will be with consensus. That means unanimously, jury will decide who are the winners. So we are not just collating the marks and finding summary and average of it. No, the judges will together decide who is the winner. But marks will be awarded at each point, right? Okay, so this is little bit from our end. You please ask questions, and you will work very closely with Dr. Rashmi and Professor Paramesh. They in the WhatsApp group, their name will be there. So the first people that you should talk to is Dr. Rashmi and Professor Paramesh. Get your turns done. You have to be ensuring that even if you come, say, 1 minute late, 2 minutes late to the thing, we will even go and say cancel your presentation. So don't get on to that. You have to exactly, because you have come here for this purpose. So don't while away to go away and all that. Just be on the spot and present and do a very, very sharp, very smart presentation. Impress the judges, and let the best team win. That's the only ask we have, the only prayer we have. Let the best team win. Okay. So that's it. We'll close. Any questions, we will be happy to help. No questions?
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, kind of.
Ma'am, this is from Codecraft Traces. For us, it is showing online. I'm not really sure if we had to do something to confirm, but we will be in campus.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, we'll update. Yeah.
Okay, and another question. Another question is there a dress code?
Yes, ideally, because this is not, I mean, how to impress a person, how to impress the girlfriend or boyfriend and all that. You go shabbily dressed, right? This is senior. You have seen the judges, no? You know, Subrato, Dr. Simha is there. What kind of dress he would like? So you should know the pulse of the judges.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
I think as professional, as formal as possible, please dress up.
All right.
Yeah. This is not a nerd show or anything. I know all of you could be nerds. You can wear shorts and go around, but here I think let's present that we mean business. Be the present now. We literally mean business.
All right, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, during presentation, the team will itself handle the presentation like PPT and slides, right, ma'am?
Yes. So the whole laptop will have loaded all your presentation in folders, and one of our team member will do the deck will be opened up. That means because you will be going to the stage, and one team will be coming down the stage, right? So during that time, one of our team member will be on the stage and they will open the folder. And ideally, I'm hoping that your deck has to be opened. If you have anything else to be opened, please let us know. So deck will be opened and will be shared by the time you reach the stage. Right? So that there is no transition between changeover and all that, because we are tightly packed.
Ma'am, first we will demonstrate the slide. Then, ma'am, if we want to show the prototype, like, ma'am, is there any transition, or we just need to explain through the PPT only?
No, I know this. I heard some people that we have a hardware to showcase. So what we have kind of done is that because it's 15 minutes presentation, it's not exactly a demo kind of environment. What we would do is there is a demo area setup for all of you. So during the presentation or after the presentation, during the presentation, you can definitely talk to the judges that we have a demo and maybe show that in the deck, but then set it up. If at all you have a setup which you are bringing, set it up on the demo space that we will give you little outside the stage, I mean the whole auditorium, and we will ensure that the judges meet you during the break, or no, sometime one of your members could be there, so that whenever there is either during the break is what we are hoping, that you can showcase that part to the judges, right? So you can use that time. But in the stage, I think if you can manage everything, you can bring the whole the contraption and then put it there. Along with that, you can talk excellent. I think it is up to you to use 10-12 minutes. You want to really do a dramatic presentation with the hardware. That's excellent, because you will get the brownie points. Somebody is only showing a deck and website versus somebody showing a complete hardware integration. Then you must bring something to the stage, but how will you manage all these things in 12 minutes? It's up to you. Maximum 12-13 minutes, then 2 questions from judges. Maybe we'll even cut short judges' questions and then move, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
we
it
can.
same for the online mode too? Like, ma'am, in the online mode, will they be able to get the access that how they are showing the PPT and the
So the Teams is through that we will conduct it. So we will have a live link. Everything will be shared. So that means your screen will be shared on the link, right? This suppose if this is the interface, your presentation will be happening through Teams. Even people who are on offline, people who are in the campus also have to join the team link that is already been set up, and your presentation will be shared, right? So that is how the whole thing would happen.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
there are a lot of applications and hardware which we have, and can we use our laptop to present those? I mean, I'm not talking about the deck alone. There are applications that we have built, and there are hardware as well. So, I mean, I'm not really sure if we'll be able to transfer everything and it will be functional in the laptop that
What
you're
is
referring to.
your turn? What is your turn? I think
We
what
are
we can
last.
do is that I think we asked this question, no, are you there or not? And none of you responded.
We
That's really
actually
good.
joined a little late. I'm sorry for that.
No, in the WhatsApp group, in your own WhatsApp group, you please check. Nobody has responded there. So brother, one thing which we can do is that we can set your presentation first.
Okay.
So that because changing this laptop, it has to be only one port change. It cannot, we
Correct.
cannot take
One
more
HDMI port
time
is
on
enough.
this.
One
Yeah,
HDMI port
yeah.
is enough.
Okay, I think please work with Jordan morning itself, afternoon
Okay.
beforehand, and
Okay.
then set it up so that I think Dr. Rashmi, Professor Paramesh, we may need
We have to
to
change
set
the
up a
itinerary. No, we
yeah.
have to change whole itinerary.
Yeah,
Then
why
If
not?
that is the
One
case,
switch of
Sequence. Yeah.
team, one swap of
if
team.
Yes,
that is the
yes.
case, in the end is also fine. So at least all the other teams go hassle-free. Even if we run into issues, it'll be only us. Other teams will still be able to present.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm
So
open to anything. But
okay,
anyways, Rashmi
great.
ma'am, I'll be early in campus. We can sort this out.
Okay.
Sure.
One more thing is what I was thinking, maybe near the stage we may have to, on your next to the podium, one table has to be put so that they can place the stuff there if at all anybody is bringing hardware.
Yes,
So
yes,
that we
that will
will
help.
have to, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so let us know if you have any special request and special contraption and all that which we have to take care. Please let us know now. Otherwise, it's just like conveyor belt, it will go on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we had some changes to our presentation. How can we update that?
Yeah, please send it to AI Hackathon or something. Right now, you can send because one set of things are going to judges now. So you can send us now, or you need more time.
Through mail, ma'am.
Yeah, I think
Oh.
Nikesh, what is the best way to present? OneDrive or Google Drive or whatever.
Ma'am, Google Drive they can send, ma'am.
Okay, send it through Google Drive.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Subro, your team name?
Code crafters, race code
Racers.
crafters.
Codecraft Racers, yes.
It's in the last only, no?
Last one, yes.
So then we need not to change. I mean, if we are keeping at the
Yeah,
end.
Yes, yes.
So we'll discuss.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. All are set. Somebody is joining now. Too late. Too late, Sanjay. We are closing the call. We would want you to practice as much as possible and then be ready. Come early. I hope those who are staying in the campus has good stay. Those who are traveling and coming, please come early. Please 11, 12 o'clock. Ensure that registration is done. You check your what is there on the laptop on the podium, whether it's the right one, old one, all that. Please check with with Nikesh and team. And you are on the limelight. Okay. So all the very best from all of us. Do well. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.